Hello everyone, this is Bara Japan, and today I would like to show you the different types of pen that are used in Japan. So today I prepared three different kinds. So I will start to explain how to use them and the different the benefits of using each of them and the points that you have to be careful when using them. Um, so these three pens that you see here in the table, first of all we have the border pen. That this pen is not erasable. So once you write on it, it will not you cannot remove it. So this is I think most of the people use this kind of pen. So this kind of pen, in this example, we have the Jetstream. So Jetstream is basically very common ink used in Japan, which this pen uses. So this pen here is a two-color pen. So it's a black and a red. So these two pen, and basically the price for this pen is 1,000 yen. So it should be around $9. So you can see I will write in kanji. I will write Nihon. So you can see how it writes. So it's a so I'm writing the Nihon kanji. So you can see this in black, and also I can do the same in red. So you can see. So this kind of pen, which is not erasable, is used for, of course, for official documentation or any document you have to sign. You have to use this kind of papers, this kind of pen. Sorry. So the second, and also you can see here, you can buy the spare parts for this pen. So you can see the red one and the black one. So I will go a little bit more detail about the type, the part number of this, so you don't get confused, because there's many part numbers, which is very easy to get confused. So you can buy the wrong one and you cannot use it here. So you have to be careful which type to use. So I will go into that later on. Okay, now the second pen is you can see the difference. Sorry, it's a little bit used, so I use it at work. But this pen is the different point is that it's erasable. So you can see here how can I say, the kesu, or the thing to use to erase. So they have it included here in the pen. And this pen has like three colors, so it has a blue and red and a black, and you can exchange. You can use the three colors. And for example, if I write with the blue one, so I would you can see the difference very easily, I think. So I will write the Nihon kanji again. So this is with the blue one, and I can do the same with the red one. So once you use it and once you compare them, you can see the difference in the writing. So the difference is, this one is that this is in Japanese is called keseru pen. So when you write, the benefit is that you can remove, you can erase, and you can adjust your mistake or anything. So this is very useful in Japan, especially for taking notes. So taking notes at work or anywhere you are. So it's very useful. So of course, the bad point for this kind of pen is that it happens to me once that when I made some comments in my notebook and I forgot my notebook inside the car. So if it's very sunny and it's in the car, it gets very hot. So it can happen that your notes can disappear. So you have to be very careful not to use this kind of pen into official documentation. So especially do not use this pen when you want to sign some document. So do not use this. Okay. And again, for this pen, we have this kind of this is the spare parts that are inside the pen. So you can see we have three colors. So this is the new one. So you just remove this green pin here, the tip. So you just remove, and and put it on the pen. So in this multicolor pen, you will usually find the spare parts like this. So you can see here in the blue, the red, and the black. So this comes in this package, and with the each one for each color. You can buy it. Usually it's around 200 to 300 yens, so you can buy it in any store. And also you can buy the 3 pens of the same color in the same package. So it's your decision. So you have some variety. But yeah, you have to for this kind of pen, the company that uses you have to be careful is always to check that it's friction. So this friction company is or friction type you have to be careful with, because this matches the pen, and you can see here it says friction. So you have to be careful that this matches to the spare parts you buy. Okay. And finally we have the Kisero pen, but this one it's only one color, and you can find a lot of colors. So in this case a very light blue. So it's also, you can erase this. So I will write the Japanese kanji for Nihon. So like this. So again you can erase your notes. So this is just one color. So also this is very common to use, and as I mentioned, there's many colors. You can find in green, you can find purple, and this light blue, and there's many variety of colors. So this is very good point for this pen. And this is the package where you can find the spare parts. So in this case we have the red which comes in the same color, so 3 in the same color, and also for the black, and you can see also here the blue. So this is the one that it uses inside, and you just have to remove the plastic and put it on, and that's it. So and finally I want to talk about the when buying spare parts, as I was mentioning to you, there's some key points that you have to be careful when buying. So first of all, you have to check that the company of the spare parts is the same. So in this case it's Jetstream. So this pen is also Jetstream. So you have to check here in the name tag. You have to find the Jetstream here in this point here, and also you have to check the part number of the exchangeable. So in this case is SXR 8007. So you have to check these 2 points. Okay, so when you go and buy the spare parts, you have to check and just match the information. So in this case you have the Jetstream, and also this pen uses a 0.7 millimeters, and you can see the SXR 8007. So you have to basically these 3 points you have to be careful. The Jetstream, the size of the pen, in this case 0.7 millimeters, and also the part number, which is the SXR 8007. So and you can find also you have to do the same matching for any color you want to buy. So make sure you match these three points, and so you get the correct one for your pen. And for these Kesu pens, usually as I mentioned, is friction, and you have to be careful and find the 0.5 millimeters, so it matches your pen. So this is very common size for Kesu pen, 0.5 millimeters. But in some cases there's other varieties like 0.38. There's 0.38, 0.7, 0.5. So there's many types. So you will, once you go to the store, you will find a lot of combinations. So you have to be careful to match the information from your pen and when finding the right spare part. So I think we covered this basic information for pens in Japan. So when you come to Japan or you want to get this kind of pens, to ask you can ask a friend that comes visit Japan to get you one of these pens, so you have some basic information to decide. And as I mentioned, these pens are very useful, especially the ones which is erasable when taking notes at work. So I hope this information was very useful to you guys. So if you like the video, please let me know. Bye bye.